Yesterday we traveled from the beautiful green southern Leyte back to Manila. And we have a confession to make. Unfortunately, all good things come to an end, and so did our visa. So tomorrow we have a flight out to the Philippines to Malaysia. But here are the good news. We like the Philippines so much, and our months just flew away that we decided we will come back. We will come back in a couple of months after we visited Malaysia and a few other countries in Southeast Asia. We really want to visit Palawan, Coron, El Nido, but I also would love to visit Malapascua Island and Siargao and the East Visayas region. So actually, we will be back for quite a long time because there are a lot of things that we want to see here. Today is our last day in Manila. So we're going to do something that everyone in the comments told us that we must do, and is visiting the Mall of Asia, which is the largest shopping mall in the Philippines and the 6th largest mall in the world.
First step, as usual, is to get a grab.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, it's Aaron.
Yes, Aaron.
Yes, that's me.
Aaron Carter.
Carter?
The Carter is
The singer.
The Backstreet Boys.
brother Nick Carter.
Nick Carter.
Yeah, the Backstreet Boy.
Unfortunately, that's not him.
And here we are. This is the Mall of Asia.
Look how big it is.
Bloody massive. It's way bigger than I thought.
Oh, that is the best thing ever.
You can't take it home.
Are you sure?
Up there too. It's a cat.
Oh, that's fantastic.
You can't take that home either.
I love this place already. So many fluffy animals.
You're a nut.
I like stuffed toys. I have a lot at home. Look at them all. Oh, they're so cute. Hey, it's Valentine's Day tomorrow.
Yeah, what are you getting me?
No, what are you getting me?
I asked first.
I want a good beer.
It's too big, it won't fit in my bag.
Chocolate? Can I get chocolate?
You're giving me chocolate.
No, I get chocolate.
You're giving me chocolate. That's generous.
Our mission for today is to try as much Filipino food as possible. That's awesome.
For background information, the Chinese New Year was a few days ago and officially marks the year of the Wood Dragon.
And this culture is beautiful. I think we're coming close to the entertainment area, so there is a cinema there. One of the reasons why we came here is to try to go to the DJI store to fix our microphone.
So we're just having a look for the DJI center. See if I can figure out how to work it. Alright.
That's very cool.
On these escalators, which is really handy, they have a side for standing and a side for walking. So if you want to walk up the escalators, you go on the left, you go on a stand, you go on the right. And it's signed, which is awesome.
I would have loved this as a kid. A machine to make cotton candy. And you have all the flavor. That's awesome. It's quite cheap too. Look at all these machines. There's so many of them. That's so cool. It is unfortunate I don't have much space left in my backpack. I can't drag stuffed toy all around Southeast Asia for the next 4 months.
Just stumbled upon, by accident, the indoor skating rink. I've never done that before, so if I tried it, probably fall way hard on my butt.
We should try it.
Let's not.
Chicken.
Yep.
It's cheap, see? 2 hours. You can even get an assist coach. You can add on a polar bear. I wonder what is that. Oh, archery again. There is laser tag there. Cosmic Kids, I don't know what it is, but it looks so much fun. That's awesome. I wish I was 10 again.
I feel like I'm 10. Mentally I'm 10. But unfortunately my body's 35, so they won't let me in.
34.
Whatever.
Hi, Paul.
Hello.
Good morning. May we please get one grilled tuna belly?
Okay, sir, for here.
For you, yes,
Okay, what else?
please. And one tuna katsu.
Katsu.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So Chiara got a grilled tuna belly, and I got a tuna katsu. No idea what a tuna katsu is, but
You're going to find out.
it looks pretty good. Smells good. Let's eat it.
This is very well cooked. Very good too. It's flying away. I can't try the pork belly because I don't eat meat, but at least I can try the tuna belly while I'm here.
This looks like it's a what's the word? Like a schnitzel, like a tuna schnitzel where it's been crumbed and fried.
It's
Anyway,
tuna, right?
yeah. Very good.
And this looks like it's a kind of barbecue smoky sauce. What do you think?
I really like it. I think it's delicious.
And this is mango, which actually works very well. It's delicious. Hello.
Hi.
Please get one of them.
And for me, the Thai tea with cream cheese and brown sugar bubbles.
Okay.
There you go.
We cheated. I know we said we were going to just try Filipino food, but we saw Thai tea and we love Thai tea, and I tried to make it at home after we came back from Thailand last year, and mine was so bad. So we didn't have a good Thai tea in forever. So we got a Thai tea. Ah, it's great. So much sugar. It's fantastic.
One of the things about traveling and trying new things and trying different flavors, as soon as I tried this, it just brought back all those memories of Thailand and Thai tea and what we did there. Really cool.
By the way, as you can probably hear from the audio, we didn't manage to fix our DJI microphone. So we are going to try in Malaysia to see if they can fix it there. We can still use it with the camera, but we can't use it with the phone or the GoPro because it doesn't work. So, sorry for the bad audio.
That is the biggest stuffed animal I have ever seen in my whole life. That is huge.
That's so cute. It's a grumpy cat.
I think it's actually a balloon.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Turns out it's actually a balloon. Which makes sense actually. Yeah, it will cost way too much to stuff it. This is an outside part of the mall. There are more things to eat. I wish I had a bigger stomach so I could eat more. Unfortunately, my hunger is limited. We have found this outside area. There is the Ferris wheel there at SM by the Bay, which is like a small amusement park. IKEA, Hard Rock Cafe down there. This place is massive.
Apparently there's even a little kid's swimming paddle pool, which is not something you see every day at a mall.
Here you can see how big is SM by the Bay. So it starts there where the ferry wheel is and it goes all the way down there. Oh, that's great. Hello. Hello. Not sure what was going on there, but it was so funny.
215.
2:15?
Oh,
Might be a bit late.
yeah.
It's too late for us.
Minutes.
We will be back another day. Thank
Sorry,
you.
Thank you. You could try the next place,
Yeah, true.
or you could do ice skating and I can film you. Because I don't think I want to do ice skating.
But it's not funny if you don't do
It'll
it
be
as
funny
well.
for me to watch you ice skate.
No, I want it to be funny for me to watch you skating.
Yeah, to watch me doing this. on the ice.
Exactly. We tried to do archery, but they only have a spot in 50 minutes from now. And we need to have a call with a client at 4, so that's too late for us. We're going to see in the other place if they have a spot to do it now. Aaron doesn't want to ice skate with me.
Aaron doesn't want to fall down and break his wrist the day before he goes on a flight. That's what Aaron doesn't want to do.
Better a wrist than a leg.
Well, he could do that as well.
I used to love this one when I was a teenager. Oh, and I loved basketball as well. Yeah, this was fun. This makes me go back to when I was 15. Cool, Jurassic Park. This place is massive. There are so many things and activities to do that you could spend a whole day in here just having fun with your friends. We need to come back and spend all day here and do all the activities.
Yeah, we sort of cut our time short by having a meeting, but it is what it is. We can't change the fact that we're only here for a short time, but we will be back.
We can't change the fact that we have clients.
Yes, we can. We can fire them all and quit.
Is that an option? Oh, Highland mango. Which one? Peanut butter or Pele? I don't know what Pele is. No, peanut brittle. Peanut brittle, that sounds yummy.
Yes.
Oh, do they have assorted as well? What do they have inside?
Cashew, Rice Krispies, classic, cookies and cream.
What
Peanut
do
brittle sounds
Yeah.
better to me.
Here, peanut brittle.
Give me.
Polveron are my favorite cookies ever. I love them so much. We actually the souvenir shop with.
We have some peanut brittle bickies, and I got myself a shirt that I'll have to show you later because it's a bit crumpled right now.
A Manila t-shirt.
Yeah, souvenir t-shirt.
It definitely got much busier compared to when we got here at 11 a.m.
There's a colour phone booth where you can take a photo. So there's that big bear, there's that big bear, and there's that big bear.
And all the flowers. We found our giant dog, so we're officially back at the start. We should take a photo with the giant dog.
Sure.
We were a bit undecided if we wanted to come or not at the Mall of Asia, but this place is really fun. We're usually not a big fan of malls in general, but this is a very fun place, so we definitely need to come back. It's going to be early dinner and early bed for us because we have a flight at 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Which means we need to get to the airport at roughly 3 a.m. and we'll probably have to wake up at 2 a.m. So even if we go to bed at 8, which isn't going to happen, that's only 6 hours sleep. So
That's going to be horrible.
anyway, that's it for this video. We hope you found it informative. We can't wait to come back to the Philippines. We can't wait to get back to the Mall of Asia and explore more and do more activities. Go to different islands here and explore more of what the Philippines has to offer.
We hope that you will keep following our travels through the rest of Southeast Asia.
Because we will be back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.